When an air conditioner can't keep up with the heat, there are several steps you can take to help it function more efficiently. An air conditioner is essential for keeping you cool in hot weather. But some summers can be particularly challenging for these machines. To help your air conditioner keep up with the heat, start by opening the vents and registers in your house to ensure a clear air path. Replacing the air filter with a new one is also crucial, as a dirty filter can lead to poor airflow. Check that your thermostat is not turned down, and inspect your home for leaky ducts and poor insulation, which can cause the cool air to escape outside. Additionally, remove any large debris, dirt, and leaves from the external hardware of your air conditioner. By following these steps, you can help your air conditioner to function more efficiently and keep your home cool, even in extremely hot weather.